Today I take a look at the VEVOR motorcycle helmet. So we got our shield. So this actually comes with an extra shield. So it appears this is a clear one, and then this one is the shaded one if you need that. It does come with instructions, and I do appreciate that it has this tab right here, so we got something we can actually grab onto. Looks like a nice cushion on the inside here. Actually, it feels very soft on the fingers. We do have ventilation here on the front, as well as on the top. Probably one of the more important things, this is in fact DOT certified. You can use this with a motorcycle. And it appears we have a reflector there on the back. I do like the design. Looks fairly sleek, but also traditional. We do have cushions for the straps, so we're not just going to be rubbing that strap directly onto our neck. Can see on the inside that is an XL. And we have cushion all the way around. So we can see our foam insert. And we got a spot where we can put our communications. So if you got something like a Cena, anything like that where you want to be able to talk from one motorcycle to another, you'll be able to do that with this. I have got a pretty large head. Oh yeah. But the XL actually fits it up pretty well. Quite a bit coming out the bottom. Yeah, it's actually fairly comfortable as well. Let's see if I can put my glasses on. There we go. Cool. Yeah, pretty sweet helmet. So the thing I could say I like about it the most right now is just the comfort of it. The thing actually fits fairly well. This is an XL, it's for an XL head. One of the bigger problems I usually find with helmets is that when I pull them down over my head, I feel like I'm ripping my ears off. And I don't feel that with this helmet, so that is a big plus. So yeah, overall, if you're looking for a decent helmet, that one will do the job.